Ron Square, shares of Array BioPharma were $7 last summer. Now they're around $5. You have a lot of irons in the fire. So where are you going to be at the end of 2014? Where do you think you're going to be?
Yeah, so regarding the share price, you do often see a lot of speculative buying before major conferences. There's some volatility, but we really are going to be rewarded when we publish data that let people know how our drugs are going to make it to the market and ultimately get used. We have a very exciting year. By the end of this year, we'll be sharing new data on our wholly owned blood cancer product, filanosib, for myeloma, which we're just now starting a pivotal trial on. But we'll be able to share more data that'll give folks a good sense of what that's going to look like. We also have a couple critical partnered programs too. They're called MEK inhibitors. They're already being studied in 6 different registration trials, 6 different types of cancer between AstraZeneca and Novartis, our partners. They have great economics to us, but we're making progress on that, and we think Novartis has stated they plan to file binimetinib, one of those inhibitors, by 2015. So by the end of this year, we're going to be looking at our own product, and we're going to be close to market on 2 big important partner drugs.
And you have a number of partners. It's Celgene, it's Novartis, it's AstraZeneca. You do a lot of contract work with some of these companies. How do you know you're not giving too much away?
It's an excellent question, and it's really about finding the right focus. We believe internally we can do hematology, blood cancers. They tend to be smaller studies, faster, and it's a smaller group of physicians that you need to actually speak to. For larger populations of cancer and for other diseases that we've discovered drugs in, we feel that partnerships are the way to go. And we've got great partners, Novartis, AstraZeneca, you mentioned Celgene as well, but we also have a number, 3 programs underway with Genentech and 1 with Roche as well.
And which one is going to come first? Which one will move the needle for you after filanosib?
It's really about...
When I say needle, I mean which one's going to make you the most money?
So it's really about these 2 MEK inhibitors, one with Astra, one with Novartis. And Astra, Pascal Soriot, CEO at Astra, has already said he believes it's going to be over $1 billion. And that's something that he intends to live by. So we think these could be potentially multi-billion-dollar assets, and those would definitely be the 2 lead programs. If you think about it, with a wholly owned myeloma product and royalties from 2 important large cancer drugs, we look a lot like a company called Onyx that was recently sold to Amgen for about $10.5 billion. They had a royalty on a drug called Nexavar, not too dissimilar from the MEK inhibitors, and they had a wholly owned myeloma drug. And so that's what we may look like just in the next couple of years.
All right, we're going to watch for it. Thanks a lot, Ron.
Great.
And thank you for watching The Street.
Thank you.